Mentioned Liangshan. There's always that question. Is Liangshan a mountain? How high is the altitude? How large is it? Is Liangshan a place? What's the scenery? What about the people? This time, we might as well get to know Liangshan together. Violent motion of the Earth's plates created the spectacle of the 7 transverse mountains, 800 miles of Liangshan hidden in it. From a geological perspective, Daliang Mountain is not a lonely mountain. It is a series of peaks running northeast to southwest. Luoji Mountain with thousands of peaks. It is a natural museum of ancient glaciers. Huangmao Ridge was born like a 100-mile dragon. Longtu Mountain is like the edge of the earth. In front of the Mana Chajan viewing platform, dozens of mountains of about 5 kilometers are lined up. This is the Kingdom of Mountains and a paradise for life. From the Qinghai Tibet Plateau to the Yunnan Huizhou Plateau, Jinsha River, Yalong Longjiang Dadu River willfully cut out deep valleys in Liangshan. The Great Tectonic Movement created a complex and intertwined extreme landform and also evolved a colorful human landscape. The Southern Silk Road and the Tea Horse Road intertwined into charming curves, caravan between ancient roads and towns, shaking the echoes of civilization's blend. The magical geographical environment nurtured generations of Yi people and gave birth to ancient Yi script, the solar calendar, and other long and beautiful cultural arts. On the Lugu Lake, the generations of Mosuo people who lived there, singing the last tenderness of the women's country, the ancient Nwoya Naxi village, has a world-rare honeycomb-like building complex. The Tibetan villages with snow-capped mountains and meadows. In the heart of Shangri-La, it is located in Muli Tibetan Autonomous County, Liangshan Prefecture. For thousands of years, people of all ethnic groups used their wisdom and hands, created a colorful miracle, continuing the splendid culture of Liangshan from ancient to future. Liangshan is named after the high air and cold in the mountains, but its arms are so warm. Anning River Valley, fragrant melons and fruits. Lian Wetland, plenty of aquatic plants. The red story of the Yihai Alliance has been passed down to this day. Warm Soma flowers, in full bloom in the spiritual wilderness of Liangshan Yi people. The karma warms the bones and muscles of Yi men, and the pleated skirt warms the waist of Yi women. Liangshan is a place to explore the stars and the sea, and the largest Yi settlement in China. The hospitable Yi people, they've made it, the true hometown of Chinese songs and dances. Torch Festival is the warmest day in Liangshan. Blow the hot mouth harp and dance the hot Duolua River. The light of the Eastern Carnival shines. 14 ethnic groups live and multiply happily here. So far, we can tell the world with certainty that Liangshan is not a mountain.